Okay, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get paid without 1,000 subscribers. My name's Kevin. If you're new here, consider subscribing if you like the content. If you don't want to subscribe, I appreciate likes, and if you could, share it with your friends, family, and other people that might be interested in these topics. So many people out there are a little disgruntled by the need for 1,000 subscribers to generate income from their AdSense. Now, AdSense, you don't make too much money, and I think people get hung up on needing that 4,000 hours and getting to 1,000 subscribers, and they overlook a lot of things that could generate them income using their YouTube channel. And I want to talk about a few things that are obvious that you've probably heard on other channels, and a few things that are not so obvious. And I'm gonna, just from what I've experienced and used and what I've learned about, that I intend to implement in the future. And I'm gonna go from the least obvious to the most obvious, which you've probably already heard of and you're not doing and you should be doing. First is casting. You could potentially be cast for someone else's video or someone else's commercial. Let's say you're doing product reviews and a producer or someone reaches out to you because they like the way you talk about their product and they want to actually take it a step further, or possibly they like the way you talk about products or life experiences and they could use you to fit into their little niche. It's rare, but it can happen, and it does happen to people. The second, generating leads for other businesses or another business that you're running. I've noticed this. I have a friend I'd like to work with, or a family member I'd like to work with, who has an aerial company, and I feel like that it could utilize that more to generate some leads. Maybe you're a mason or something along those lines, or a construction worker, and you have a channel, but you're not doing something as simple as giving a link to your contact us page in the description below. And people could be coming to your site and not liking your work and liking the information that you're giving, but you're missing out on potential leads in business by giving them some way of contacting you other than just subscribing to your channel. I think that's an overlooked one that a lot of businesses, especially small businesses, completely don't think of. I think it's a great way to utilize this platform. Another was sponsorships. A company could reach out to you. If you have 500-600 people, they may be a small company. They may want you to talk about their products in all of your videos. That is another possibility of earning income with less than 1,000 people. Usually they want more, but it is possible, especially smaller companies and that are very niche oriented, very distilled down to what you're talking about. There's building a mailing list for affiliate marketing, or it kind of ties into generating leads for another business or affiliate marketing, where you could, in your description, have a link and be talking about it in your video to have them go check out that link, give them a freebie, and in exchange for that freebie, an email, and reach out to them further with other products, or maybe the product again, or other businesses, and generate leads for your other business that way. I hope you're thinking of that. That's something I'd probably do in the future. I'm still new to this when you see this video. I haven't been doing YouTube been doing it for less than a year now. Referral programs, I think a lot of people miss out on referral programs with some of the apps they use, some of the, a lot of the apps you use, especially anything that's related to a business or investment account. You can get discounts or gift cards, like Amazon gift cards, or actually paid out referrals for setting someone up with your link. A lot of people overlook this because they see it's like refer. Often the way these are structured, it's like refer your friends in your phone list, and nobody wants to get blasted a bunch of phone list like that to all your friends and family. You can get blocked by doing that. But what you can do is copy that link to your referral code and paste it in your description below and talk about it that way and share it with new people, or maybe your friends and family see your videos and like your videos and hear about it that way. Your friends and family are probably going to like to hear about it just by being interested in what you're talking about in your videos because they think it's cool, rather than you blasting them random text about a product that has no context. Like, they're probably not going to use it that way. But if you talk about in your videos and put it in your referral, in your referral code in your description below, that's another way to make a little bit of money or get free products or discounts that way. I like using that with Wealthfront because they don't pay you, but what they do is they give you $5,000 of investment, of $5,000 discount where you don't pay for the management of your funds. It's like 0.25% management fee, but every time you refer someone, they knock off $5,000 worth. So it's, just less of a fee for something in the future. And then the obvious is affiliate marketing. Everybody talks about it on Amazon. You sign up, you can put links and refer links to a product that you want to review, put it in your description below. Someone clicks on it. If they buy something, you get a commission. Amazon's great because there's such a wide variety of products. The issue with that is, obviously there's a small commission, but once you start getting sales, they really want you to have at least 500 subscribers. So you could wind up getting a couple of commissions, and then they review your page and then they shut you down. You have to start it all over again. You have to refresh all your links and all your videos. Really, Amazon, you want at least 500 before you can really start going deep in that. But there are other companies that do the same thing, and some that have cookies that last longer. I noticed that Target, they have a similar program, but their cookie lasts up to 7 days. So as opposed to Amazon only lasting about 24 hours. So you might want to try, Target over Amazon in the beginning, or just you could try ClickBank. A lot of people use those internet products. Those are great things. Those are some great products, but if you're doing like household referrals or something like clothing referrals, it's a little bit harder. So if you go to Google and just type in affiliate marketing or affiliate programs and think of your favorite company after that, usually they'll have some sort of program where you don't need 1,000 subscribers to get involved in their program and start getting paid without your 1,000 subscribers. Without having 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, it can be a bit of an issue. But you make very, very, very small amounts with the AdSense. I think of AdSense as a bonus. I don't even have AdSense on this video, and that's not even my focus. I want to just make a connection with you and bring these things to light. And I like reviewing products and apps that I use, and I think that people are overlooking these new features. Sometimes they're just free things I want to tell you about. Sometimes they're things that could help you earn more money. That's what I like. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm doing this. If you find any of these tips helpful, leave a like. That's great. Comment on other things that you've used in the past, or maybe one of these things you're going to start implementing. Let me know about it in the description below if you found this helpful. And also, look down on your page. There's this one thing that's often overlooked by a lot of YouTubers. They're always talking about likes and subs and comments and whatnot. Click the share button. Send it out to your social media. tell your friends about it and family about it that way, not, like I said before, in your mailing list, and blast it out that way, but, share it on your Twitter or your Instagram or your Facebook, or maybe some other YouTubers that are starting out that maybe this could help, or businesses that have a channel and could probably implement some of these ideas in their channel.